Dear students of 12th class accountancy, may I have your attention please? We are learning final accounts of partnership and our subtopic is division of profits. We are going to solve question number 14 of our textbook. The question is A and B are partners. A's capital is rupees 10,000 and B's capital is rupees 6,000. Interest is payable at the rate of 6% per annum. B is entitled to a salary of rupees 300 per month. Profit for the current year before interest and salary to B is rupees 8,000. Divide the profit between A and B. Look here students, this is question number 14. Let me repeat. A and B are partners. A's capital is 10,000. B's capital is 6,000. A's capital is 10,000, it's given, and B's capital is 6,000. Interest on capital is equal to 6% per annum. B's salary rupees 300 per month, that is 300 into 12, which is equal to 3,600. Profit is also given here. Profit for the current year before interest and salary is rupees 8,000. Profit is given before interest and salary, that is 8,000. We have to calculate profit sharing ratio. One thing is there that profit sharing ratio is not given. That means partnership deed is silent here. In the absence of partnership deed, profit sharing ratio is equal to 1:1. So we have to find now profit sharing ratio. Let us solve this question. We have the pro forma here, format of the question. This is debit side and this is credit side. Particulars, amount, particulars and amount. First of all, we have to see interest on capital to interest on capital or to interest on capital account. कैपिटल किस किस का है यहाँ पे? नंबर 1 ए, नंबर 2 बी. पार्टनर्स दो हैं हमारे पास. फर्स्ट पार्टनर इज ए whose capital is rupees 10,000 and second partner is B whose capital is 6,000. Yes, 6,000. But interest on capital is 6%, that is 6 by 100, which is equal to this 0 cancel, this 0, 100 into 6, which is equal to 600. Now partner B, B's capital is given 6,000. Be attentive please. Into 6% per annum, that is 6 by 100. This 0 and this 0 cancels. 6 6s are 36, which is equal to 360. And total of these two is equal to 6 plus 3, 960. 960 rupees. Now उसके बाद बी को सैलरी मिलती है 300 पर मंथ. टू B's salary, which is equal to 300 into 12, 300 per month. For the year, it is 300 into 12, that is 12 3s are 36, 3,600. On the other hand, we have net profit given by net profit or by profit brought down, which is equal to 8,000. It's also given here. 8,000 is our profit. For proceeding ahead, for transferring the profit or showing the profit sharing ratio, let's have a working note here. Working note. ये जो 8,000 है हमारा प्रॉफिट ऑलरेडी, ये एक फिगर है हमारे पास। तो बैलेंसिंग फिगर के लिए हमें देखना है कि ये साइड अगर ज्यादा है तो यहाँ पर लॉस बन जाता है, फिर अगर ये साइड ज्यादा है तो प्रॉफिट ही ज्यादा हो जाता है। तो हमारे पास इस वक्त ये 3,600 प्लस 900 ये बिल्कुल कम लग रहा है, 4,000 कुछ लग रहा है। तो इसको टोटल करेंगे हम, 8,000 माइनस दिस प्लस दिस, 960 प्लस 3,600, which is equal to 8,000 minus 960 plus 3,000, this is equal to 4,560, which is equal to 8,000 minus 4,560, which is equal to 3,440. Now we have to transfer the profit, यानी कि ये 8,000 minus this, the sum of these two terms, ये वाला जो amount है, this amount we have to distribute among the two partners in the ratio 1:1. So हम लिखेंगे to profit transferred to partners in the ratio 1:1. 1:1 means 50%, 50, half to A and half to B. तो हम क्यों ना हम हाफ इसका निकालेंगे, यहां पर लिखिए प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर्ड, that is 3,440 divided by 2. 3440 को हमें डिवाइड करना है, which becomes 1,720. 3,440 का हाफ 1,720 बनता है, आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो उसको। और इस ये 1,720 दोनों का प्रॉफिट बनता है, यानी हम प्रॉफिट जो ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, ए को भी कितना मिलता है और बी को भी, ये तो हमने निकाला है। अब यहां पर हम लिखेंगे 3,440 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, विच इज इक्वल टू 1,720 और इसका भी 1,720, दोनों का टोटल कितना है 3,440। तो बैलेंसिंग फिगर क्या बनती है हमारी, यहां पर 8,000, ये पूरा दिस इज 8,000 एंड दिस 960 प्लस 3,600 प्लस दिस, ये तो निकला ऑलरेडी, ये भी 8,000 बनता है, यानी 8,000 इक्वल टू 8,000, विच इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट। यानी हमने 1:1 में प्रॉफिट शेयर किया, तो कितना आ गया दोनों का, ये हमारा असली रिजल्ट है। ए का प्रॉफिट मिलता है 1,720 और बी का भी प्रॉफिट मिलता है 1,720, विच इज इक्वल टू 1:1, यानी दोनों को इक्वल प्रॉफिट्स। profit is being shared equally among both the partners. And this is all for today. Thank you.